So today I'm gonna talk about the difference between 끝나다 and kkeutnada. Welcome to another video at KSTYLEyo. My name is Inyoung. If you're interested in learning Korean language and culture, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. So today I'm gonna talk about the difference between these two Korean verbs, kkeutnada and kkeutnaeda. In English, these two verbs mean the same thing, to finish. But in Korean, you need to understand how to use this verb correctly in Korean sentence structure. So kkeutnada is to finish, and in Korean sentence structure, this verb doesn't require an object noun. On the other hand, kkeutnaeda is also finish in English, but this verb requires an object noun in Korean sentence structure. So let's get right into these examples, starting with kkeutnada. 학교가 오후 5시에 끝나요. School finishes at 5 p.m. 학교가 school with subject particle, 오후 is p.m. or in the afternoon. In Korean, we say p.m. first. In English, time and then p.m. 오후 5시, this is 5 p.m. 5 is 5 in Korean number system. She is counting unit for time. In this context, it's more like 5 o'clock. At time particle, 끝나요. To finish is from a verb kkeutnada. 학교가 오후 5시에 끝나요. School finishes at 5 p.m. In this example, you don't need an object. The second example, 그 영화가 막 끝났어요. The movie has just finished. 그 영화가 the movie with subject particle 가 막 just 끝났어요. This is kkeutnada in the past tense. 끝났어요. The movie has just finished. 그 영화가 막 끝났어요. 이 행사가 이번 달 말에 끝나요. This event finishes at the end of this month. 이 행사가 이 is this, 행사 is event. You can associate it as promotion. 가 subject particle, 이번 this time, 달 month. In English, you say this month. In Korean, this time month. 이번 달, 말 is end. 이번 달 말에, 에 is time particle. 끝나요? Again, finish. So this sentence doesn't require an object noun. 이 행사가 이번 달 말에 끝나요. This event finishes at the end of this month. So now let's get into some examples with the other verb, kkeutnada. 한국어 공부를 끝낼 거예요. I will finish my Korean study. 한국어 공부. 한국어 is Korean language. 공부 is study as a noun. 를 object particle. 끝내다 verb to finish. 알 거예요 is will in the future tense. 한국어 공부를 끝낼 거예요. I will finish my Korean study. As you can see in this example, you're gonna see object particle because kkeutnada requires an object noun. The second example, 어제 임무를 다 끝냈어요. I finished all my duty yesterday. 어제 is yesterday. 임무를, 임무 is duty or task. 를 object particle, 다, all, 끝냈어요. 끝내다 past tense. 어제 임무를 다 끝냈어요. I finished all my duties or I finished all the duties yesterday. The last example with kkeutnada. 숙제를 끝내야 해요. I have to finish my homework. 숙제를, 숙제 is homework with object particle. 끝내 is from kkeutnada verb. Actually, this verb is conjugated because of the grammar 야하다. Conjugated verb root plus 야하다 is have to do the verb. 끝내야 해요. This is have to finish. 숙제를 끝내야 해요. I have to finish my homework. So speaking of homework, here is the homework for you. The first one is you need to use with kkeutnada verb. The lesson has finished. For the second homework, you need to use with kkeutnada verb. I finished all the drama series. If you got the answers, leave the comment down below. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to give it a like and share this video with your friends and families. If you have any questions, also let me know in the comment section, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye.